Quantum computing, the future of unbreakable security and solving the world's toughest problems. Imagine a world where nothing is impossible, where the toughest problems humanity has ever faced, from curing diseases to unlocking the secrets of the universe, are no longer just dreams. What if there was a force, an unseen power, that could solve these issues in the blink of an eye? But what if this very force also had the potential to destroy the security systems we've relied on for decades, and no one knew how to stop it? The unseen power quantum computing is here. It's not coming in some far-off future. It's now. But before we dive into the realm of quantum physics, let's take a step back and think about the problems we face today. In this world, we have encrypted systems protecting everything from our bank accounts to national secrets. But these systems, designed with our current understanding of computers, are vulnerable. They rely on one fundamental thing: classical computing. This is where quantum computing enters the picture. What is quantum computing? It's not just another step in the evolution of computers. No, it's a complete revolution. While traditional computers use bits to store information as either 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to the mind-bending properties of quantum mechanics. This means that quantum computers can perform complex calculations at speeds that would make traditional supercomputers look like ancient relics. But here's where it gets interesting and a little terrifying. The dark side of quantum computing. Imagine a hacker, someone who's always one step ahead, always able to crack any code, bypass any system. Now imagine this hacker doesn't need to use brute force or intricate methods. Instead, they have access to the most powerful computer ever created. With quantum computing, they could break through the very encryption that protects our digital lives. Just like that. The truth is, quantum computers have the potential to shatter the encryption that secures everything from online banking to confidential government communications. All the carefully constructed walls we've built around our data could come crumbling down. This is not science fiction. This is a very real threat. Quantum computers are a double-edged sword. While they could bring about monumental advances in fields like medicine and climate science, they also hold the key to the destruction of everything we've worked to protect. The race for quantum superiority. This is where the stakes get even higher. Nations, corporations, and hackers alike are racing to develop quantum computing technologies, hoping to harness their power before anyone else. The biggest players in the world, like Google, IBM, and China, are all vying for the crown of quantum supremacy. But there's a dark undercurrent to this race. Every leap in quantum computing brings us closer to a future where our privacy, our financial systems, and even our national security could be compromised. Imagine this. What if a nation-state developed a quantum computer powerful enough to break the most advanced encryption protocols used by another country? What if they used that power to launch cyber attacks, steal critical data, or even disrupt financial markets? The balance of power in the world could shift overnight. And yet, the biggest question remains: can we outpace quantum computing? Can we develop a new form of encryption that's immune to the power of quantum machines? Or are we already too late? The promise of unbreakable security. But not all hope is lost. In the world of quantum computing, there's also a glimmer of light. It's not just about quantum computers destroying everything we know about security. Quantum computing can also lead to quantum encryption, a form of security that is theoretically unbreakable. The concept of quantum encryption is built on the principles of quantum mechanics. In this form of encryption, the act of eavesdropping or intercepting information would actually alter the data, making it impossible to access without being detected. It's a powerful idea. If you can observe the message, you destroy the message. This could make communication systems virtually immune to hacking, a new era of unbreakable security. But there's a catch. While quantum encryption is powerful, We are still in the early stages of developing systems that can use this technology on a large scale. The quantum world is fragile, and maintaining the delicate state of qubits is a monumental challenge. It's like trying to catch a butterfly with your bare hands while keeping it alive long enough to study it. But as scientists continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, this unbreakable security may one day become a reality, solving the world's toughest problems. The potential for quantum computing doesn't stop at encryption. Far from it. Quantum computers could solve some of the world's toughest problems that traditional computers could never crack. Imagine being able to simulate the behavior of molecules to discover new drugs or materials in a matter of hours instead of years. What if we could solve climate change by predicting the best solutions for reducing emissions with unmatched precision? What if we could unlock the secrets of the universe, understanding everything from black holes to dark matter, by processing data at speeds we can barely fathom? Quantum computing could revolutionize industries, save lives, and provide solutions to global challenges we've only begun to understand. But there's a paradox. The more we develop quantum computing, the more we realize that its power could disrupt everything we've built. How do we balance the potential for good with the threat of chaos? The quantum dilemma. We are at the precipice of a new era, one where the line between opportunity and disaster is razor thin. Quantum computing has the potential to push us forward in ways we can't even imagine, but it also brings with it a Pandora's box of dangers. Will we unlock the secrets of the universe and solve the greatest challenges facing humanity? Or will we open a door to a new world of chaos, where our most cherished systems are brought to their knees? The choices we make today will shape the future. Governments and tech giants are already working together to establish safeguards, regulations, and frameworks for the responsible use of quantum computing. But the reality is, this is a race we can't afford to lose. The road ahead. As we move forward, we must ask ourselves one question. Are we ready for the future? A future where quantum computing is not just a tool, but a force capable of reshaping everything we know. Will we use it to secure our world, or will it become the weapon that brings everything crashing down? The road ahead is uncertain. The dangers are real, but the rewards are greater than we can even imagine. If we can harness the power of quantum computing wisely, we might just be able to solve problems that have plagued humanity for centuries. If we fail, the consequences could be catastrophic. So, the question remains, can we control the very power that has the potential to change everything? Or will quantum computing become the weapon that we're all too afraid to face? Only time will tell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.